So you're doing well. Well, now try to turn yourself straight again. Try to turn yourself straight. Well, then you can go back to being sideways later. There. You got it. You got it.